Hello, my name is Travis Contreras, and welcome to Start Here, Get There at TVH. In this 4-minute video, we'll revisit a skill you've already learned, one that's a foundational building block for understanding key concepts in our course. We'll break it down together using real-world examples, so be sure to grab paper and a pencil to take notes or solve problems along the way. Pause the video whenever you need to and work with me as we walk through the activity. Let's get started.
From deserts in the west to piney woods in the east, Texas is one of the most geographically diverse states in the country. But how do we actually study and understand those patterns? Well, we use tools, just like geographers do. You might be surprised to learn that geographic tools aren't just for scientists or explorers. They're part of everyday life in Texas. For example, when you check your phone's GPS to find the fastest route to a barbecue joint in Austin, you're using satellite imagery and real-time data. Farmers in the Panhandle use GIS to track soil quality and plan their crops, while city planners in Houston rely on maps and population data to design safer neighborhoods. Even weather apps use climate graphs to help you decide if you should pack an umbrella for your day in Dallas. Whether you're navigating a new city or monitoring the next big storm, geographic tools help Texans make smarter decisions every single day. By connecting the dots with geographic tools, we can unlock the hidden stories behind Texas's diverse regions. Notice how the green, lush forests of East Texas fade into the wide-open fields of the Great Plains and eventually give way to the dramatic mountains and basins out west. Each pattern on the map tells us not just where people live, but why they settled there, what they grow, and how they adapt to the environment. Let's zoom in. The bustling ports of Houston thrive thanks to access to the Gulf of Mexico, while the fertile soils of the Panhandle make it a breadbasket for the state. In contrast, the arid landscapes near El Paso shape a lifestyle built around water conservation and resilience. Geographic patterns aren't just lines on a map, they're the fingerprints of Texas history, economy, and culture. By understanding these patterns, we gain a deeper appreciation for the Lone Star State and the people who call it home. As Texas continues to grow and change, geography will play an even bigger role in shaping its future. New technologies like satellite imagery and advanced mapping software help Texans plan smarter cities, protect natural resources, and respond to challenges like droughts or hurricanes. Imagine communities using real-time data to design flood-resistant neighborhoods, or farmers tracking weather patterns to boost their harvests. By embracing these innovations, Texans are not just adapting to their landscape, they're shaping it for generations to come. The story of Texas geography is far from over. With every new tool and discovery, the Lone Star State writes its next chapter, one map at a time. To recap, geographic tools help us analyze patterns like land use, climate, and population. These tools explain why different regions of Texas look and function differently. Patterns become clear when we map out data and compare locations. Now, here's your challenge. Pick a region of Texas and use a map or climate graph to describe one pattern you see, like rainfall, land use, or elevation. What stands out to you? How does it shape life in that region? Remember, geography doesn't just describe Texas, it helps us understand it. So grab a map, take a closer look, and see what stories you can uncover. Ready for the next one?